we continue with the series and create a list of numbers similar to the last exercise. But this time, look at the one that we are going to learn about. This one is mass addition. So we connect, and let me set the cable to default. We connect all these numbers to the mass addition, and if you add up all those numbers, if you add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, you're going to get 20. But the most interesting part is this one. And in order to understand what is going on, it's quite simple. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. And 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. So I use this one a lot when we are finding out with statistics the length of each path, and I need to know how many items are located inside this tree. For example, if I have this one, this one, this one, and that one, and I select all of them, all of these, and I go to deconstruct, notice that I have a tree with 4 branches, and each branch has 4 items. If I connect this one over here, we can easily see that each branch has 4 items. So I can easily go to mass addition and look at how many items I have on that tree. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. So one more time, mass addition, very, very important component.